Welcome fellas into this new video of Tech Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about Base44. So no code used to mean dragging boxes. Nowadays it means talking. So you give this a sentence. Base24 is basically generates the front end, the database and the logic in just one tab. So let's talk a little bit more about Base44. Most AI builders just make a pretty face, but Base44 builds the brain too. It creates your database tables and uses authentication automatically. So everything it builds is responsive by default. So no more spending hours because fixing button alignment for iPhones. Nowadays, its integration games is top tier. You can wire up Stripe payments or Google Calendar in bytes, so you can ask the AI to add a checkout or sync my meetings, for example. So let's talk a little more about the complexity and the actual support. We're here directly here into the Base44. We have an actual workspace directly inside here. My credit usages, here's my message credits, daily credits, the integration of them, and if you want a little bit more, you can upgrade your actual plan. When it comes to checkout, for example, the plan that is right for you, Base44, which is now part of Wix, gives you the great opportunity to get started with only $16 per month, and you get unlimited applications and super agents and limited collaborators with shared credits. So you can stick around with these super agents and it worked really fast with them. Now here is the first wall, the actual complexity with a logic error, for example, or the AI getting confused by the complex prompt, for example. Base44 is a sprint champion but a marathon struggler. If your app breaks, you have good luck, for example, because support is almost entirely AI driven. So if you hit an actual deep technical bug, you are often left searching this code or hiring an outside consultant. So if you want to describe the application you want to create, just tell what exactly you're looking for. And if you want to enable an action plan mode to have the AI create a detailed plan, you can just enable this element and you can just get started directly inside that. Something else, for example, is, as I just told you, the actual pricing. Now the pricing is not that expensive. I believe that it was $16 per month and the builder is $40. Yes, here it is, $40, and it uses a credit system. You pay for the messages building and integrations. That means the user is actually using the applications. You don't have to pay for something that you actually don't use. So just a quick piece of advice is that credits do not roll over. If you don't use your 100 messages, for example, that month, they vanish. So that makes it hard to park a project while you take a break. So I can totally suggest you to focus first of all with startup plan, and then you can move on for the builder. If you already work, for example, with AI models, with app coding, with GitHub, for example, with automations and branding and custom domains, for example. This is for more pro people. So, for example, the field is much more hard to use, for example, bubble or flutter flow, for example, because with Base44 you have the prompt, best prompt, and the bubble is pure logic, and flutter flow is medium, is visual. Now into flexibility, for example, is medium, and bubble and flutter flow is high as well. And the speed, I might be telling you that Base44 it's faster than them. So my final verdict is that if you focus for MVP, prototype, simple SAS, and you wanted to skip high scale, enterprise, complex data logic, well, you needed, of course, Base44 for that. But if you're building the next Uber or a complex ERP, you want to stick around with something more advanced than Base44. But well, you have the link in the description, guys, if you want to stick around with a free trial with 25 credits that you can just claim directly right now with the link down below in the description. But don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully, with all this being said, we can all see you next time.